So in this first part, we'll be exploring how to download Clash Preventor and get a free trial for 30 days. You may get the tool by visiting our website, www.birdtools-developers.com. There, you can head to our products page, where you can select any app of ours. This is all applicable to all our apps. We'll choose Clash Preventor. Then, you can press the download/subscribe button, which shows you all options that activate the tool. One thing to note is that the tool is also available on the Autodesk App Store, and there, you can download the tool if you're logged in with your Autodesk account. That account should be the same one you used to log in inside Revit. This is crucial, so that your free trial is activated for the right account. You can also download the tool from our website, where you can fill in your information in our own user form. In the email field, make sure to enter the same email address that you used to log in inside Revit. Once you submit the form, an automated message is sent to that email address with the download link. Note that a 30-day free trial is automatically activated for that email address as soon as you submit that form, both on our website and on the Autodesk App Store, in case it's the first time you are downloading the tool. You may download it later on even if you are subscribed to the tool, but if you've previously downloaded the tool, a 30-day free trial will not be activated upon download. Once you download the installer, you just need to run it to install the tool. The installer can be silently deployed across several machines using solutions such as PDQ Deploy. Your IT officer should be able to figure it out. The thing to know is that you don't need to do anything else beside running the installer. Activation is done on a named user basis and doesn't require additional work on the user's end. Next, we'll explore how to configure the tool and set all its parameters.